Okay, we're going to try a pull-out test here. I have a 3/8 inch hole drilled in good granite. The hole's been cleaned out. We're ready to go. I have a 3/8 bolt here, which I'm going to put the bolt. This has the steel washer as well as the plastic washer. This is the spacer. This is the sleeve and the cone. Put these on here, snug them up just a little bit. Oops. Okay. Reboot. Okay, I'm going to try a test here in granite. I have drilled a 3/8 inch hole with a carbide roto hammer. I have a 3/8 inch power bolt. So we're going to take this power bolt and we're going to assemble it onto this little bracket and put this back on. There it goes. Okay, got that finger tight. Now what we're going to do is knock that into this hole. Like so. Torque this up to design torque specifications. So here's my torque wrench. I'll put an extension on here. So we're going to take this one up to 12 foot-pounds. So this display here is now reading out directly in foot-pounds. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we got it to 12. Let's try it one more time to 12. Double check. Taking up a little bit of slack here. Kind of creeping along at 12. Looks like if you torque it to 12, let it go, kind of drops off a little bit. So each time you torque it, you have to take up a little bit of slack. Let's try it again. Up to 12. There we go. So just a little tiny bit of slack each time. I'll put this together. Put this in here. Put support on. Put the plate on. Okay, we're going to put the load cell on, put the washers on, get the bolt puller, and this should just thread on here now. Beauty. Just like that. Okay, so this is our load readout. Torque, of course, doesn't matter right now. We can tighten this up. And we'll just crank it down. Let's see what happens here. Huh. That's not very encouraging, is it? Oh, there it's set and I can feel it. I must have just bottomed out the cone. So it looks like to set the cone, you have to have a tension up around 2,000 pounds, which is actually more than 12 foot-pounds of torque. This trouble with ball screws is there. It's about 5,500 pounds so far. Feel it coming. There it goes. Let's see what happened. Oops, I broke my block. So I guess this is a good demonstration of the importance of edge distance. My block is not big enough. And we lack adequate edge distance. Clearly lack adequate edge distance, huh? Yep, there's our bolt. Okay, we learned something. So just out of curiosity here, I was kind of limited with the size of my, that's a 2-inch edge distance, and our embedment distance was 2 inches. Bummer. We'll have to try a different thing. This is kind of interesting here. The gap, you can see, is about 1/4 of an inch of gap here. That means we actually pulled this up about 1/4 of an inch to get it to where we got it. Okay, so for the first test, I can press peak here, and our maximum force was 5,560 pounds. 5,560 pounds, Our peak torque was 12.06. Pretty good. I can clear those. Clear, clear. I think that's all it takes. Yeah, okay. Let's do that again. Take another bolt. We're going to do pretty much the same thing, except we're going to under torque this one. Crap, I dropped a little blue thing. There we go. We're going to under torque this one significantly. Let's see here. What are we going to do? We're going to put the bolt in here. Put the blue doohickey on. Like so. Put the sleeve on. And we're going to snug up the sleeve. Like so. Put that on here. Where's the pounder? Criminy, man. I can't keep track of anything around here. Okay. Go. Put this on here. Oops, forgot to torque it. You have to torque it or this is meaningless. Although it might actually work without torque. I don't know that yet. Okay, here's my torque wrench. Three. Five. Well, it's certainly drawing things up, so that's encouraging. Oops, I just went over. What did we get there? So we got about 6.5. Okay. Not great, but let's see what we actually got. I forgot to clear that, but we got about 6.5. Tear. Let's reset. That's the thing, is you have to push reset. Let's see. Yep, okay. So let's do something rational here. Let's just do 7 so we have a real number here. Seven. Okay. Let's check. Yep, 7. Okay, we're going to stick with that. Put all this stuff together again. Let's double check. Did I clear this one? Yes, I did. Okay. So I'm trying not to break my block again, so I'm not going to go until it breaks. Maybe I will. We'll see. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I never know what I'm doing. So nothing much is happening. That's consistent with what we got last time. Except, I think she's coming out. Yep, came out. Okay, so that's kind of, I guess, of interest. Well, I got 770 pounds out of that. That's not very impressive. The bolt actually looks quite good. So what should we do next? 770 pounds. Okay, we're gonna do another test. I've decided we're gonna split the difference roughly, and we're gonna go for 10 pounds of torque and see what happens. I think, well, who knows what's going to happen. That's why we're doing this. 7, 8. I just felt this stiffen up someplace right around 8. Okay, we're going to stop right there. 10 pounds, 10 foot-pounds. And where is all my parts? Let's take this out of here. Oops. We're not going to get any data if I don't put the load cell on here. Okay, here we go. I'll see how it goes. I may stop this if we get to something like 5,000 pounds. think this one definitely bit. This is sure awkward here. Yikes. Ah, criminy. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. Looks like we're going to break something eventually here. I see I have to change my setup here so I have room to work my wrench. We're going to break something if we keep doing that. I have to move the bandsaw. I'm just too lazy to do it. Ow. Okay. I don't know if I can fix this. Stuck. Oh, well, of course I can fix it because my bolt came out. All I have to do is get this stupid thing apart. Yeah, you just have to watch me bumble around here a little bit. Let's see what happened in here. Well, it's definitely coming apart. Let me see if I can get this going again. Nothing like destroying equipment. There we go. I think it's actually done, but we'll put it back together and finish. Where'd the plate go? Plate. Load cell. Washers. That's good. Okay. seems to be dropping off. Holy cats. It's not giving up. There it goes. Well, that was pretty exciting. Oh, I broke my whole block that time. I got it. Okay. Well, there's lessons to be learned everywhere. But you can see that the bolt is pretty much torn to shreds at this point. So the sleeve is pulled almost completely off. The wedge is about halfway down through the sleeve. The sleeve is completely coming to pieces inside there. So I think we pretty much determined how much that one was good for. Forgot to get our results here. So that was 10 foot-pounds. Peak load, 6,100 pounds. Okay.